this just in. I got the bird feeder. Hummingbird feeder. I was like, okay, well, maybe it could feed other birds. I got the bird seed. It got other birds named on it other than hummingbirds. Oh! So I'm looking to see if it's any instructions on here. And it says 16-ounce capacity for nectar. I'm like, nectar? That doesn't say bird seeds. Because I'm looking at this and I'm like, how are they going to get the seeds out of here? You can't get that seed out of here. So this is like a feeder for specific for nectar. So far, that's what it's looking like. That's what the box saying. 16-ounce nectar. And I don't know how 16 ounces go in here. Maybe 16 ounces go in here. But I don't even see how. Oh, hold on. Let's keep looking. Okay. So the nectar does go in here. And there's holes in there around the cylinder in here. So the bottle part goes in there with the nectar. And then there's holes around it for the nectar to flow out through here. And the birds will be able to sip, the hummingbird specifically, that's what it says. So I didn't know there was nectar you could buy to go in a bird or hummingbird feeder. I just thought I could get these seeds. But, okay, so now I'm going to be looking for some nectar. And then making a bird feeder for this. I think I already have one that I already made for this one. I got a bird house. That's not a bird feeder. I could leave off the nectar flower and then put this on like this and then put the seeds around it like that, and then that'll become a bird feeder. So that's what we're going to do for the time being, because that's what I got. I got this. I got my mind and my brain finna do it. So now it's a bird feeder if I keep off that nectar top part. So you just seen it. You've seen it. You've seen it. This is Tina Bailey fashioning a bird feeder out of a hummingbird nectar feeder. Alright, I'm gonna go hang this up so the birds can have their seeds. Happy month. Or excuse me, content. Be content in yourself and everything that you do.